6:02, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis will be back on the stand this morning. A continuation of her testimony from yesterday that saw tempers flare. It's part of a hearing to determine whether a judge will disqualify Willis from the Fulton County election interference case. 11 Live's Ariana Maniz is joining us live now from the Fulton County Courthouse this morning. Ariana, DA Willis says there are improper characterizations of her relationship with Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade.
And Cheryl, yesterday's hearing has major implications on Georgia's election interference case against former President Donald Trump and his defendants. It's one you can tell DA Fani Willis did not take lightly. Instead of questioning witnesses, she volunteered to be a witness as she spent hours pushing back on what she calls lies laid out by the defense. Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis forcefully walked into the courtroom during her misconduct hearing, cueing to her attorney that she's ready.
3 documents in front of me, and they're the 3 filings of Ms. Merchant. I'm very anxious to have this conversation with you today.
Willis says she was eager to testify as she and Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade faces allegations that their relationship was a conflict of interest and they should be disqualified from Georgia's election interference case against former President Donald Trump and his co-defendants.
You're confused. You think I'm on trial. These people are on trial for trying to steal an election in 2020. I'm not on trial.
Willis's highly charged testimony went on for more than 2 hours.
No. This is the truth, Judge. And it is a lie. It is a lie.
Defense attorneys questioned Willis about her relationship with Wade and claimed he paid for their getaways. But Willis says she would always pay him back in cash.
And what did you pay for on that trip?
I gave him much less cash that time, probably $400 or $500.
The DA also revealed how the relationship ended.
I don't need anything from a man. A man is not a plan. A man is a companion. And so there was tension always in our relationship, which is why I would give him his money back. I don't need anybody to foot my bills. The only man who's ever foot my bills completely is my daddy.
Wade also took the stand and set the record straight on when the relationship started, as the defense said it started in 2021.
To that.
None.
But before his testimony, Willis's former friend and former DA employee denied the timeline.
Do you know if Ms. Willis and Mr. Wade started dating in October of 2019?
I don't know if it was October of 2019.
Could it possibly be November of 2019?
Could possibly.
Now, DA Fani Willis will be back on the witness stand this morning starting at 9 a.m. as this hearing continues, where she'll face more questions from defense attorneys. Now, it's unclear when the judge will issue his ruling on whether to disqualify Wade and Willis from this case, but he has signaled that he does not plan to issue his ruling on the same day the hearing closes. Back to you.
Okay, Ariana, thank you so much. And as that testimony continues today, you can watch it here on 11 Alive. This morning, we're also hearing from a Georgia State University law professor, Clark Cunningham, about what stands out to him up to this point. He says the relationship timeline does not match up.
This may seem overly dramatic, but a crime was committed in the Fulton County Courthouse today, right? Somebody committed perjury. Either one person committed perjury, and that was Ms. Yurty, or 2 people committed perjury, and that would have been Nathan Wade and District Attorney Willis. We don't know.
That could be cleared up today when Mr. Terrence Bradley takes the stand. He's Nathan Wade's former law partner and friend and represented Wade in his divorce case. The defense attorney says Bradley should be able to confirm the timeline. Again, 11 Alive will be covering today's hearing. It starts at 9 a.m. You can watch here on 11 Alive, also on 11alive.com. We will be streaming it as well on our 11 Alive Plus app. That's free to download on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV devices.